Want to boost your signups and sales? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple lead magnet idea that you can use to increase your conversion rates. Hi, I'm Mike, Mr. Process Mahoney, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple lead magnet idea that you can use to increase your conversion rates. Like most people, you're always looking for ways to improve your business and get more leads and sales, right? So without further ado, let's jump right in. A lead magnet offers something valuable in exchange for someone's contact information. When you want to increase the number of people who sign up for your services or buy your products, you can give them a lead magnet. This is an idea for something valuable someone can have in exchange for their contact information. Some examples of lead magnets are ebooks, webinars, coupons, or even just a simple PDF guide. The key is to offer something valuable and relevant to your target audience. The best lead magnets are simple and quick to download or use. In the past, entrepreneurs would offer things such as lead magnets that were easy to download. They would offer PDFs, infographics, checklists, etc. And while these are still great lead magnets, they're not your only options. Nowadays, people are much busier and don't have as much time to sit down, read a long ebook, or participate in a webinar. That's why offering the recipient something simple and of incredible value is so important. A lead magnet should be valuable enough to convince the potential client to give you their contact information. The better your lead magnet, the more email addresses you will collect. The best part is it only costs you the time it takes to put the lead magnet together. Now, lead magnets have become less effective. This is one huge problem with lead magnet strategy, is that they've become less effective. One possible reason that lead magnets have become less effective is that they're overused. Many businesses use them to try and collect email addresses, making them less valuable to potential customers. Additionally, people are becoming savvier about the value of their information. They are less likely to give away their contact information unless they are confident that the lead magnet is going to be high quality. Another big problem with lead magnets is making sure they showcase your abilities. When someone downloads one of your lead magnets, they check out your skills. They want to see how much knowledge you truly have about the topic. They use this free lead magnet as an introduction to your services. But is a PDF checklist for running Facebook ads effective at showcasing your true entrepreneurial talents? I say not. A lead magnet can show you how to research a topic and package up some great ideas, but that doesn't showcase your skills. While they may convince some people to work with you, they are less effective than ever in 2022. Now, I have this revolutionary lead magnet strategy that I want to talk to you about. What if I told you that there's this unique lead magnet that you could offer that would bring amazing value to your potential client and showcase your talents? Would you be interested? Of course you would. We all want to showcase our talents to potential clients. Doing a task for them for free would probably be a great way for a potential client to see what you can do. Would you agree? I suggest creating a page on your website of done-for-you services that you are willing to do for free. They should be things that can be done quickly, generally in under an hour. Drive traffic to that page, and visitors will be surprised that you're offering free services for their email address. Frankly, they'd be crazy to think their email is more valuable than your service. As a virtual assistant, you could offer a short blog post for free in exchange for the visitor's email address. As a social media manager, you could offer 5 free social posts for Instagram to any visitor who provides their email address to you. As a content creator, you could supply 3 video outlines in exchange for the visitor's email address. The ideas here are limitless, but they must be things you do as part of your service offering and must also be something visitors want. You get an email address and they get to see the quality of your work. Nothing will convince them you can do the job better than completing a task for them. Now give this idea a try. The Done-For-You lead magnet has helped me grow my list to more than 10,000 subscribers. It has also helped me land clients who would never have come on board without me offering a free service. If this idea seems interesting to you, I offer a bunch more tips like this in my new program, the Explosive Revenue Growth Roadmap. And I'm hosting a free webinar Thursday, September 29th at 11:30 a.m. Pacific. I will review the new program's contents and the results many of my clients see as a result of the program. You can register for free at toptiersocial.com/webinar. A replay will be available, so sign up even if you cannot attend live. If you got value from this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you will always get notified when new videos come out from Top Tier Coaching Services.